Hello and welcome. I'm excited to talk to you today about a fascinating topic, the potential of artificial intelligence in financial markets. Specifically, we'll be diving into Gemini AI, an innovative AI-powered trading platform that's making waves in the trading world. So let's get started. In this section, we'll introduce you to Gemini AI. Gemini AI is an advanced trading platform that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to automate trading and make data-driven decisions. This platform offers a range of key features and benefits, such as automation, which saves you time, and data-driven decisions that can enhance your trading strategies. It's no wonder that Gemini AI is quickly gaining popularity among traders. Now let's walk through the steps to get started with Gemini AI. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on the Gemini AI platform. Once you've done that, you can link your existing trading account if you have one. After that, you'll set up your preferences and define your risk tolerance to ensure the AI aligns with your trading goals. Moving on to using Gemini AI for trading, this platform offers a variety of trading strategies to choose from. The AI analyzes vast amounts of market data and makes predictions based on sophisticated algorithms. To give you an idea of its effectiveness, there have been numerous examples of successful trades made using Gemini AI. With its powerful analytical capabilities, Gemini AI can be a game changer in your trading journey. Section 4. Making money with Gemini AI. Alright, let's dive into some tips for optimizing your use of Gemini AI. First off, it's essential to stay informed about the market trends. Understanding the broader economic context can really help you make better decisions. Now let's talk about the potential risks and how to mitigate them. One key thing to remember is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize your exposure to any single risk. And hey, don't forget to set stop-loss orders. These can automatically sell your assets if they drop to a certain price, helping you limit potential losses. Finally, let's consider some real-life case studies or testimonials. While we don't have specific examples right now, many users have reported significant gains by leveraging Gemini AI's predictive capabilities. It's always encouraging to hear about success stories, right? So with these tips and precautions in mind, you're well on your way to making the most out of Gemini AI. Section 5. Advanced Strategies and Tools. Let's dive into the advanced features offered by Gemini AI, like backtesting and portfolio optimization. These tools can really help you maximize your profits. By using backtesting, you can evaluate the potential performance of your trading strategies based on historical data. Portfolio optimization helps you balance risk and return to get the best possible outcomes. Here are some expert tips for seasoned traders using AI. Always keep your strategies updated, and don't forget to leverage the full suite of tools available to you. Section 6. Common FAQs. We know you might have some questions about Gemini AI, so let's address a few of the most common ones. Is AI trading reliable? Yes, AI can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than any human, but it's important to remember that no system is foolproof. What about concerns regarding security and privacy? Gemini AI takes these issues very seriously, employing state-of-the-art encryption and security protocols to protect your data. Conclusion. To wrap things up, let's recap the benefits of using Gemini AI for making money. It offers powerful tools and insights that can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we invite you to explore more of our content. Don't miss our upcoming videos and series related to AI and trading. Stay tuned and happy trading.